Welcome. Today we will be talking about how to speak at a bank in English. In this video, you will learn the words and terms to use in the bank. This is a bank officer. You speak to the officer for all your questions. They sit behind counters. You have to wait for your turn to talk to her at her counter. This is a security guard. He provides security for the bank. This is a locker. Lockers can be used to store valuables. This is the ATM. You can get cash at the ATM. You can see your bank account balance at the ATM. You need to use your PIN. This is a debit card. With a debit card, you can pay people from your account. This is a check. A check is used to pay people. You can use a check to pay rent. We hope you liked this video. In the next video for At the Bank, we will tell you about different types of bank accounts. We will also practice how to ask questions in English.